Good morning, my beautiful viewers. This is James Carpenter with Country Living. Yesterday we built this tool storage unit and I thought we were done. But after stepping back and really looking at it, I noticed something. We had space that wasn't being used and a few tools that still didn't have a proper home. And if you've been around a shop long enough, you know, unused space turns into clutter real fast. So today, we're fixing that. Now this is something I've learned over the years. You don't always need to build something big and complicated. Sometimes a small add-on, a simple idea, and using what you already have makes all the difference. And that's exactly what we're doing today. I had a stack of brackets I picked up from the Habitat for Humanity Restore. And if you've never been there, you're missing out. You can find solid, useful parts for next to nothing. So instead of buying something new, we're going to repurpose what we already have. I started by laying out the first bracket. This one is going to hold the circular saw. Now this is a 1/4-inch steel bracket bent at a 90-degree angle. And honestly, it's just about perfect for this job. The base of the saw sits right on the shelf and the blade hangs down freely underneath. Clean, simple, and functional. I marked out my holes, made sure everything was lined up, and drilled 2 mounting holes to secure the bracket. We're using 1/4-inch bolts, lock washers, because once this goes in, I don't want it loosening up over time. Tight, secure, and built to last. So right underneath that circular saw, we've got space for the sawzall, and that worked out better than I expected. No wasted space, no overlap. Everything fits like it was planned from the beginning, even though it wasn't. Now moving over to the last bay, I added another shelf for the cutoff tool. Same concept, same process, but this is where layout really matters. I took the time to position everything first because once you drill those holes, there's no going back. Now comes the best part. Putting everything in its place, and I'll tell you, there's something satisfying about walking into a shop and knowing exactly where every tool is. No digging, no searching, no wasted time. If you're getting value out of this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, share it with someone who needs to get their shop in order. This is what I've learned over 30+ years working. Organization saves time. Time saves money. And money keeps your business strong. You don't need fancy systems. You just need something that works. This was a simple add-on, but it made a big difference. And sometimes that's all it takes to turn a good setup into a great one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.